Today we are going to see the Salesforce administration what roadmap. If you want to do the Salesforce certification administration certification, or you want to learn it for the job and all, this video will be very beneficial for you. And there are seven main topics in Salesforce administration here, as I mentioned, and for the people who want to do certification also, I have given a weightage uh, for the particular topic. And okay, then we'll start. First is configuration and setup. It will come most of the question will come from this topic, and around 20 percentage of weightage in Salesforce certification exam. In that, you should see these all type UI feature. What are the UI features? Uh, and I will give the resources to learn. I will share the resources also to from where you can learn these all things. Uh, company information. What are the features you can update, change in company information? And next, what local setting, and these all things you should know in this configuration and setup. Next is object manager and app builder. If you somewhat familiar with Salesforce, then you may know this object. What is the object manager and app builder? Object manager also, the weightage of this topic also 20 around, and many questions come from this topic. So you should know in this topic. You should know the what are the Salesforce architecture. It's a multi-tenant architecture, and why it is like what are the what are the benefits of multi-tenant architecture, and what are the standard object and custom object. You should know the differences between these object types. And apart from that, you should know how to create the object, how to create and how to add the fields in that object, and many more things you should know. Uh, you should know in this topic. I'll give the resource for that also. There is main very important topic in object is object relationship. In object, there are multiple relationships, like around five relationships are there, but these three are most important: lookup, master data, and many to many relationship. And next is sales and marketing application. This topic based on the sales cloud. If you know the Salesforce, you may know what is sales cloud, service cloud. You should understand what are the sales cloud and what are the feature of sales cloud. In that, you should know the sales features and lead. What are the leads? What are the campaigns? How we collaborate with them? What are the opportunities? Account, contact, and productivity in that only, but it's not that much usable. We don't interact. We don't use productivity that much, like productivity feature initially that much. So next is support and service. As I mentioned, it's also service cloud. Sorry, service cloud. In that, you should know these all topics like case and support process. This top all and most importantly, this assignment rule, auto response rule, escalation rule. These three things you should and must know in the support and service application. And apart from the web to lead and email to case, it's feature to add cases in our database using other, we can do manually, as well as we can use the HTML code to add HTML forms to add uh, cases in our database. And email to case, like if someone send the email to your particular service email, then it will convert that email to case and service console. It's another feature in Salesforce Service Cloud in Salesforce. You can see it. The next is collaboration. In collaboration, there is four. four five things like activity management, chatter, and in this the most important is public group law. How we create the groups, how we create the chatters, what are the how we collaborate between teams and all. These all things comes under this collaboration topic, and it's not that much important for the certification. If you want to skip this topic, I suggest you to check the what are the public groups and how we use that, and the app exchange. That will be enough for the for certification in this topic. So the next is automation. Automation is the most important topic in the administration if you want to build a projects in administration. It's a most important topic to know. So in this there are four type of tools in automation: flow builder, workflow rule, and process builder, and approval process. The workflow rule and process builder is right now it's not that much in industry. It's not that much using. People are not using that much because the flow builder can do lot of things. Lot of things which workflow rule and process builder will not do that, can't do that. Then approval process, you should know, at least you should know these two things: flow builder and approval process. And the next is data and management. It is also important topic in the administration. In data, there is things like how we import the data, how we export the data from the Salesforce database, and in that there are tools like there are many tools in Salesforce to import and export. But these two tools are most important, which is data import wizard and data loader. Data import wizard you can get inside the Salesforce. You can use from the Salesforce itself, Salesforce org itself. But for the data loader, it is also from the Salesforce, but you need to download application for to use it. And the next is validation rule. Validation rule is the uh, topic which you know must and should know. The validation rule. Validation you will use many lot of time you will use this validation rule. And the next is reports and dashboard. In the reports, you should know the what are the reports format, custom report types, when we use the custom report types, how we can create the custom report type, what are the standard types of reports, standard report types, what are the bucket fields in the reports, then formula fields, summary fields, and what are the limitations and subscription. What is the subscription in the reports? And dashboard also same in dashboard there are multiple components you can add, like gears, charts and meter diagram. Many things are there in dashboard. And filters, how we can filter the data, and subscription, that is also same as in the reports. And that's all the things you should know while learning the administration and to clear the certification exam. And about the resource, I'll recommend you to use SFBen. It's a good resource to learn the Salesforce about any topic. Like it's not only for the administrator. You can learn anything about the Salesforce from here. So it's a good resource. Firstly, I have used this resource to clear my exam. Also, here is many things you will learn. You will get to know. And I'll also share the link in the description. Thank you.